create a digital product for $0 today. You have just a few hours this afternoon. You can walk away with a fully created and sellable digital product, and these are the 3 tools that I use. Number 1 is ChatGPT, and this is what you're going to use to find your online course topic. Number 2 is Canva, and this is what you're going to use to create and build your online course. And finally, number 3 is Thinkific, and this is the platform that will host and sell your online course, your digital product. I'm Alex, and I have created and sold over 50 digital products. If I had to create a new one today, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1, use ChatGPT to find your online course topic, to find the problem that you solve. The key to a digital product that actually sells is making sure that you solve a problem. Reply chat, and I will send you my free ChatGPT prompt with 5 questions to answer to find your exact online course topic and the problem that you solve. Head to Canva to find a template to use for your digital product. Once you get to canva.com, type in ebook and make sure you type in multiple pages is what you're looking for, because we don't want just a cover page. So now you can see that you get all of these different templates that you can use. The ones with the crown are for Canva Pro for the paid account, but you can see that there's options that are free as well. Now you're going to choose a template that you like the layout best. Don't worry about the brand colors. So in order to see all the pages, click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and then hit preview template. And this is going to show you what all of the layout pages look like. So remember, we're looking for the layout, not so much the colors and the branding. That's super easy to change. Choose the template that you like best that fits the digital product that you're going to create, the problem that you are going to solve, and then fill all your information into that template. All the knowledge, experience, skills that you have, put it into that template. If you want to see exactly how to do this, check out this video here. I show you exactly how it's done. And finally, you are going to create a checkout link totally for free using Thinkific, which is an online course hosting platform. Now, if you go to the Thinkific website, you'll see that you can get 30 days for free. But if you reply think to this video, I will send you the link to get free access to a condensed version of Thinkific forever, so you can start selling your digital product for free this afternoon. So head to thinkific.com and click start a free trial. So this is going to start your free 30-day trial session, but like I said, reply think to this video and I'll send you how to keep it for free forever. So you are going to fill in all of your information, set up your Thinkific account. You're going to go to your homepage, and in the top left-hand corner in the menu, you're going to click products, and then you're going to go to digital downloads. That's what they call them inside of Thinkific. And then once you're in your digital downloads, you will have access to create 2 free digital downloads with your free forever plan. So I already have 2 in here. So I'm going to show you how you would edit it. Basically what you would do is you click plus down here to sell more digital products if this is your first one. But I am going to go in and edit mine instead. So this 7K in 30 days, we're going to recreate it together. So edit. And this is what it is going to look like for you, except nothing is going to be filled out yet. So what best describes your digital download content? And honestly, this doesn't really matter, but what I'm putting in here is an ebook. So I'm going to click ebook, but you can click guide, you can click worksheet, template, whatever fits what your digital product is. But once again, it actually doesn't really matter. And then browse files here, you're going to pull in that ebook that you created using a template in Canva and pull it in right here. It's going to load up. You're going to make sure you name it. So I have 7K in 30 days, but you're going to name it whatever yours is. So it's going to be something ebook, whatever your topic, your problem solving topic is. And then here you can add a cover photo for your digital image. This is something that you can also create totally for free in Canva. All you need to do is put these suggested dimensions that are right here into Canva and then create that layout for you. It'll fit perfectly and you're just gonna drag and drop it in. Now you can create a description for what your digital product is about, and you're gonna hit save settings. Next up, we're gonna move into pricing. So you have 2 options here. You can make it a free lead magnet, or you can make it a one-time payment. And then if you make it a one-time payment, you're going to set the price right here and how many days they have access for. If it's unlimited access, you leave it blank. Ideally, that's the best way to do it. Set the price or set it to free lead magnet. Obviously, it's free. You don't need to set a price. From there, you're going to save primary pricing and you're going to move on to landing page. Now, Thinkific is going to create a landing page for you. It has all of these headlines set up for you to fill in the information that fits you and your digital product. Here, it took your cover image that you already loaded in, that you created in Canva, and put it on here for you. The most important part here is that you're going to collect their first name and their email address, and they're automatically going to get that free download. So when they hit this link right here, this is what they're going to see once you fill in all the information, and they're gonna fill in their first name, their email, get free download, and it's all gonna automatically send to them. Your work is entirely done from here. We're going to hit publish now, make this digital download immediately available for purchase. So publish, it's gonna give you a little celebration on the screen, and then what you're gonna do here is you're going to copy this URL, and you're going to take it and put it in your Instagram bio right away. And then you're gonna start showing up on Instagram, start telling your story behind how you solved this problem for yourself, and start making sales for this digital product. Now that you've built this digital product this afternoon, you need to know how to price it. In the next video, I'm gonna be showing you why you should be selling it for $5 to build a massive online business. Click to keep watching here.